Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's go over how to set up Primavera P6 23 version. I will leave the link in the description below to the Oracle Software Delivery Cloud website. Once you get on the website, you will need to sign in. Click on the text box and type in Primavera P6. Select and click Primavera P6 from the drop-down box. Select and click the first link called DLP, then click Continue. Click the drop-down arrow in the Platforms and Languages column. Next, select your OS, then click Continue. Ensure you read the disclaimer and check the box once you have read through it, then click Continue. After you click Continue, you have the option to save the file onto your desktop. Once the download is complete, unzip and extract all files. The executable file is located in the fourth folder, so you would have to click on that folder. Click on the P6 Professional Setup file and extract all files. Then click on the executable file to download it onto your desktop. Once installed, you will need to configure your database. Click on the Add button on the top left corner. Click on the driver type and select P6 Professional Standalone SQLite. Name your database alias and select Add a new standalone database and connection, then click Next. Fill in your password, then click Next, save your database, then click Save. Open P6 and type in your username and password, select the database, then click Connect. In P6, click the Admin tab and select Admin Preferences. Go to the Industry tab and select your industry, then click Close. Congratulations, you just set up P6.